In this video, I want to show you how to create a new course and add videos to the course you just created. So to do that, make sure you log into your account. Then go to your YouTube Studio. Once you are at YouTube Studio, click on Create. Then you can see New Course below here. Click on New Course. When you click on it, it will open this page. Then give a title to your course. For example, I want to create MV Complete Tutorials for Beginners and Specialists. Then give descriptions. Once you give description, scroll down and choose the visibility as public. Then choose your language, that is title and description language. So click and select your preferred language. Like here, I'm selecting English. Then here you can add video directly or later. So let's add video from here. Click on add videos. When you click on it, it will bring all your videos. Then I want to add this. I want to add this video as well. I will add this and this one as well. So after clicking the video or selecting the video you want, click on done. Once you click on done, you can see 4 videos has been added. Then click on create. Yes, our course has been created, and you can see that I have added 4 videos to this course. You can see it here. So to add more videos, click on add videos, and you can upload videos directly here, a new video, or you can choose from existing one from here. So if I go back to my home page and click on courses, if I click on courses, you can see that the course I just created is now live.